Meaning of daydream.
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 Daydream. A daydream is a series of thoughts, images, or fantasies that occur in a person's mind during waking hours. It is a form of spontaneous mental activity that often involves visualizing oneself in a different setting or situation than the one currently being experienced. Daydreaming can provide a temporary escape from reality and may be used as a coping mechanism for stress or boredom. While it can be a source of inspiration and creativity, excessive daydreaming may interfere with one's ability to focus on tasks and achieve goals.